see a lot of people have a problem with their sides. With the side pattern, right? I got easy solution for you. But you gotta stay tuned and watch the video. Roll the intro. Ooh. Yo, what's up? Baby, barbershop, back again. Against waves on the sides. It's easy money. Here's how you do it. Whenever you start a brush session, most people, I had this problem myself, always start up here, top of my head. Now, I always start from the sides, always. Let me show you the mirror. Pay attention to your sides the most, because your sides don't feel as easy as your top does. And then as you brush, make sure you always hit the sides a lot. Boom, boom, boom. Your angles correctly. Take it here. Hit the sides. You should hit your back waves too. Try with the curl brush. So, same thing. Make sure your angles correctly though. If you want to watch my video of micro versus macro angles, I'll link that up there. Vertical brushes versus horizontal brushing, I'll link that up there. Alright, so now, your crown area, brush that a little bit. Make sure this area is no line here, always. You want to watch how I brush my crown, I'll link that up there. Alright, so let's do that quickly. Boom, 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 boom. Go ahead and brush the top. Make sure to focus on your angles correctly though. The brush, waving force. Remember, so when you're trying to get waves, your sides can wave up, and you're having problems with that side, always remember, Whenever you start a brush session, always start from the sides. Always make that a habit. Don't start from the top, start from the sides. Alright, the top waves up the easiest. Your sides gives you a little more problem. The hardest area to wave up is your crown area. That's the thinnest area of your hair. That being said, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples. And I'ma see you next video.